Hey everybody, this is going to be a pick of the Master Lock LOTO lock. That's a lockout tagout safety lock. Here is the bidding. This is my first pick on camera. Key works, lock works smoothly. I have picked this before. Sparrow's top of keyway tension tool and a Sparrow's standard hook in 15,000s, and I will try my best to keep this in frame. It's really bad lighting too, so I'll try to keep my head out of the way. So just gonna go down the stack. For a binder. Okay, I think that was pin 4. Touched it and dropped into a false set. Just touched 3 and went a little bit deeper, actually getting counter rotation on 3. But okay, I think that's set. One counter rotation got him set. Six. Might have dropped something. I'm gonna let some tension off. See if I can get back into that. And it looks like I lost a false set. Oh, there we go. So pin 6 was hung up on a spool and got it open. So yeah, my first pick on camera, and really my first time looking around the lock picking subreddit. So hope you guys enjoy.